So we're on our little walk up our little hill, and is that hair in that? Black hair?
And there's a lot of it. That's why I think it might be bear. Oh, don't touch it.
It's hair.
Yeah.
It's all hair. Oh no, there's scat in that. Yep. Something ate something black. Okay. Fun. It's tree felling day here at Fernsby. We're going to be making some shiitake mushroom logs. I've got my ear protection, my helmet, my eye protection. Got my chaps on. Ready to get to work.
The start of the great gardens at Fernsby. Our straw bales are about a month old now. And we're going to leave them here, soaking up all the rain and snow that falls. We've got cardboard and wood all down for weed control. We'll be ready to plant sometime around Mother's Day. And this is our stack of mushroom logs. We have the spawn, and we'll be back in about 2 weeks to this spot, and we will inoculate them, and we will soon have shiitake mushrooms. Little patch of daffodils. Huh? There's a little patch of daffodils near the creek at Fernsby.